This is a first aid box. Everyone should have one, whether in their workplace, home, or even in their car. This one in particular by ASTROPLAST are used in workplaces. There are over 100 items in this box. Make sure to check the expiry dates of the items to be replaced, which normally last between 3 to 5 years. This kit was bought from Costco for around £25. Inside the first aid box you will get some gloves, blue detectable adhesive tape, tweezer and scissors, washproof plasters, iPad dressings, adhesive tape, a quick guide on first aid treatment and how to use bandages. Blue detectable plasters. Basically these are used in catering workplaces so that they can be easily spotted. Elbow bandage, sterile eye wash, large elbow bandage, sterile hand bandage, sling, few packs of burn dressings. Basically this is a cold gel patch, so it's best to store this first aid box away from the sunlight or extreme heat. A pack of sterile wound cleaning wipes. Now I would always advise everyone to at least know the basics of first aid, which can help on saving someone's life. At the back of the first aid box is a wall hanger clip. So you can hang the first aid box on the wall, attach or detach whenever you want. Overall guys, the quality is there. And you can add anything useful in the first aid box you think that may help. Stay safe guys, peace.